Welcome to our channel Coding Solutions. In this video, I am going to discuss about tuples. So what is a tuple? Tuple is also a data structure like list. But there is a difference. The difference is that we change the value of list, but in tuples we can't change the value. Remember that, the big difference. Because why? Because tuple is immutable. That's why we can't change the value of a tuple. So now I will show you an example. Suppose I write here student. Suppose, see, I am using a bracket, first bracket. If you don't use also, then also it's not a problem. But I am using it. Suppose I write here Rohit. I am taking a name, student name Rohit. Okay. You have to give a comma. Remember this. You have to give a comma here to separate the tuples. You can write this sideways, but I will write like this only. You can write it sideways. That's not a problem. But for your understanding, I am writing it like this. Suppose Virat. I am taking Virat. And then suppose I take coding. Suppose this is the names. Okay. This is the names. Okay. Coding. Okay. Now I will print. What I will print? I will print. Now after the tuples, I will print student. Suppose I want to know the 0th index. Okay. 0. Okay. 0. Suppose I want to print this. See, Rohit is there in the 0th index, so Rohit is being printed. Now, suppose I want to change the list. See, the big difference between tuples and list I already told in the definition. Now I will show you what is the difference. See, suppose I want to change the name Rohit. Suppose I want to change the name Rohit. So I want to change the name Rohit to Surya. See, now I will show you an error. See. Okay, but in list you can change it. See the difference between them. Now I think you have understood the list and tuple difference. Okay. So you have understood. Now you can do another thing. And do is that, suppose is a Rohit name is there. What I want is I can give here some basic, suppose his age, I want to give his age 32. Suppose he has got, suppose take it a percentage. Suppose he has got 90, 90.2, 80.2. Suppose 80.2. Okay. Suppose he has got 80.2. Okay. Now let's see what's the output. See, his age is also printed and his percentage also printed. Now I will show you. Now I want to print everything that's there in the tuple. See, everything is printed. Okay. Understood. Now suppose I want to print it from the first index, like list. We have done it in list also. Slicing, you remember it? I already said like this. 1 is 2, like this. I think you should remember this. This means, see, from 1, Virat and coding is being printed. Okay. By this, we end this video. I think you have understood what is tuples, how to write a tuples. If you have any queries, just comment down. I will reply. Thank you for watching this video. Stay safe, stay healthy.